Hey, I'm Nick Porter from Jim Ellis Chevrolet, and today I'm going to show you how to use Apple CarPlay. So the first thing you want to do is you want to plug your USB port into the car down here, take the other end and plug it into your phone. Once you've done that, unlock the phone on your screen, and it will connect to Apple CarPlay. You just click allow, and now your phone screen will mirror onto the car screen. You can put your phone away, you don't need it anymore. You can access everything through voice recognition and also through touch on the screen. You can access your phone, you can see all your phone calls, you can see your contacts, you can do everything. You can always go back to home by pressing the button right here. You can access your music, you can access your maps, so you don't need to get navigation in your car anymore if you choose not to have it. You can also access your text messages. You can go in and you can send a text message. You can also access all your previous text messages from before. You can also see what music you have now playing, your different podcasts, audiobooks, and stuff you may use. And then you can now access Waze and then a WhatsApp, just a messenger app. But a lot of people use Waze instead of navigation, so it's good that Apple CarPlay has now incorporated that into their system.